Hey guys, I want to create a quick little video. Inside this video, I'm going to talk about the 3 tools that I use on a daily basis. Now, it starts with creating a Gmail account. So you can create a Gmail account in whatever, I guess, domain sort of name you want. So one example I have is Marketing with Akil, and I usually opt into websites that give away certain free information. So I use that Gmail, then I create the first tool is which is called Google Docs. The reason why I use Google Docs is because it can download the app on your phone. You can access it anywhere. So if I'm out the country, if I'm not home, I can access particular documents that I have on, say, if I had a document on the desktop and I'm not at home at the moment, so I'm unable to get to it. So one of the things that I use is Google Docs. So I would create, say, for example, which ties into the second tool, which is ChatGPT. Now, I would recommend the monthly plan, which is $20 a month. I actually had the monthly plan until I went to a ChatGPT event and they offered ChatGPT for a full year. So the monthly plan, the $20 a month for a full year. So just be able to spend $20 a month. That will help you to go deeper into using ChatGPT. Now, there's other, of course, AI models that you can use, but I've been using ChatGPT and it's pretty helpful. So you can use ChatGPT, Google Docs, so that ties into each other. So you create, say, for example, content within ChatGPT. You could ask them, hey, can you create me 7 things in a particular niche that your target market would like? And then they could create that for you. You could also do a reoccurring was a schedule. So every Monday or every Sunday, you can say, hey, write this blog post, or you have a blog post to write, and then you can go into ChatGPT and create, hey, write this blog post for me. Now, you are the person that's going to have to read it, make sure it makes sense, add some stuff to it, which I can get into a later video, what information you should add to it rather than just copying and printing it out. I've learned that, couldn't say I learned that the hard way, but I started trying to make my content different a little bit when I post it on my websites. Another tool that I use on a daily basis is called Sort of Religiously. Now, you do have the option to have the free option of Canva, or you can use the Canva monthly. We paid for the full year because it's also a good, if you do have a business, you can write those expenses off. So that's another thing, another benefit. So you have the 3 tools again. It's Google Docs, so you can access your information anywhere. Canva, the monthly membership or the pro prescription. I think it's about $10 to $15 a month. So add that. So you got in ChatGPT, so you're roughly running about $35 per month times 12 if you use it for the whole year. So there is an option to apply for the yearly membership and you have enough in your account. I suggest you do that. Now, these tools are very useful because you can use Google Docs anywhere, also Google Sheets, Google Suites, regardless. You can use it anywhere in the world. Canva, you can use it anywhere in the world once you have the app. You can also download the app as well and create stuff from your phone, your iPhone. And also ChatGPT, you can also download from your app. So all 3 of these, you have the app options. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you want me to go more into how I use it. And I can show you guys more information, share more information later on. All right?